Okay, so I'm going to use thread that you would use for sewing. You could also use fishing line or old twine that you have laying around. And then I have a washer I found in my basement, some masking tape, and you can see the chapstick as well. We're going to use that as our target. You could also use a marker. Alright, here's where the fine motor skills come in. This is really tricky. You got to put the thread through the eyelet on the washer, and I'm just tying an overhand knot, a real basic knot. And remember, students, ask your parents if this is okay. Make sure you have the furniture cleared out of the way. Obviously, we don't want to ruin any of our furniture, put any scuffs in it. This is really great to do in a hallway, a long hallway. It's kind of what I have here going into our dining room area. So I'm sure you can hear I got our front door open, the birds are chirping, there's water raining outside. So now what I'm doing is I'm measuring out to make sure that it is just long enough so that the washer is not touching the floor. We want it just above the floor. Hey, Otter! Otter's bummed we couldn't get our morning walk in. It was too rainy. Hopefully we get some sunshine here in the afternoon so we can get out. And then what I'm going to do is make sure after it's right off the floor, I'm going to use the tape, and I'm going to tape it. And again, ask your parents for help or an older brother and sister if you need help with this. Alright, now we should be all set. Alright, so I got it set up. I got it taped up above in the doorway. I can put my hand underneath. And we're going to play like we have a match going. Maybe brother versus sister taking on mom or dad. Okay, so that's going to be my opponent's. The blue chapstick is mine. So again, that blue chapstick is mine. The yellow one is the target I'm going to go at. I'm going to slowly and gently pull it back. Again, ask your parents to make sure that this is okay and that you've cleared all the furniture out of the way. We don't want to scuff anything up. Oh, so I missed. So now my partner would grab it, and they would go. Now, if you happen to let go and it misses but on the swing through on the way back, just like that, that does not count as a point. It's got to hit on its first pass or swing down. So I just reset it, and now we're going to keep playing. So my partner would go, oh, they missed. Now, I'm going to show that one more in slow motion. The one time, this is harder than it looks, but I hope this is a game that you can play inside, have fun being creative, personalizing your own items and targets, and have fun on this rainy day. And I will be checking in with you soon, students. Have fun.